All right, so you want to make money online. You've been thinking about this for a while. You've been researching it, dreaming about it. Maybe you've even talked to a few friends. You can't help but get excited every time you think about it. I mean, the whole idea is super appealing. You get up when you want, you make your own hours, and you never have to deal with the early morning commute, the stuffy office, or your lame-o coworkers. You never again have to kiss up just to get a teeny tiny raise from your blowhard boss. And that's because you'll be your own boss. You'll call the shots. You'll do whatever you want and make a pretty amazing living while doing it. You'll have more free time, more me time, more time to spend with friends and family, more time to just goof around without feeling guilty. But there's just one problem. Seems like every time you start researching ideas for working from home, there are shams, scams, and plenty of too good to be true schemes everywhere you look. You've got that one friend who's always trying to push you into the downline of their stupid Ponzi scheme that masquerades as a home business. The poor guy doesn't even realize he's the next Bernie Madoff, except he's going to be lucky to get $50 scamming his friends. Then there are those people swearing up and down that you can make money completing surveys. Well, yeah, but it's only good money if you're used to making 50 cents a day in a sweatshop. Oh, and what about those people who are watching videos for money? Sounds like a cool job, right? Except that's another one that pays out worse than a sweatshop. You'd probably make more money by scrounging around in your couch cushions for loose change. So listen, forget about all those hoaxes and schemes, all right? Those sorts of jobs and businesses, and I use those terms lightly, are designed to stuff someone else's pockets full of cash. It won't be yours. You'll have a hard time finding two nickels to rub together if you get sucked into those schemes. If you want to make money, then you need to focus on providing something of real value to the world. You need to focus on building your own assets. You need to set up something legit that gives you the financial security you've been dreaming about. And that's exactly what you're about to discover inside this video training course. Order now using the button below, and you'll get instant access to a set of eye-opening training videos that will give you a crash course in 10 rock-solid ways to make money online. If you've been casting about for days, weeks, months, or even years to find a real way to make a living online, your search stops here. Let me tell you what's in these 10 videos. First up, you'll get the surprising truth about affiliate marketing, which is where you make money selling other people's stuff. There are no hassles, no headaches, and no big upfront costs. But the problem is, the vast majority of affiliates make diddly squat because they don't know the right way to set up a thriving affiliate business. That's what you'll get. The same 5 easy steps the biggest affiliates around are using every day to pull down 6-figure incomes. It's totally doable, and you'll see for yourself when you watch this video. In the next video, you'll get an awesome crash course in selling one of the most profitable types of products around, digital info products. I'm talking super profitable products with very low overhead, like ebooks, audios, and videos. I'm telling you, people snap this stuff up like crazy, especially if you follow the 4 steps outlined in this video. You'll even discover the #1 thing you absolutely need to do to create a thriving business, and how skipping this little step virtually guarantees your business will crash land and humiliate you. Next up, if the idea of people calling you a best-selling author is like music to your ears, then you're going to absolutely, positively love the next video. That's because it's all about showing you how to break out as the next big author on Amazon Kindle. You'll get a 5-step overview of how the most successful Kindle authors keep landing on the bestsellers list. Plus, you'll even discover the #1 secret that all the big authors use to keep the money rolling in, and that includes billionaire Harry Potter author JK Rowling. If that's not really your bag, then you might want to flirt with this next big idea. In the next video, you'll find out how some people make $200, $300, or even more per hour. And you'll find out how you can too if you know something that others don't know how to do. All you have to do is start coaching others for fun and profit. You'll find out how to set up this extremely profitable business in just a few easy steps, including finding a hungry market who's eager to pay you for your time, the nuts and bolts of setting up your offer, and how to use a little shock and awe to showcase your expertise. The next video will show you another amazing way to turn content into cash by starting up a blog. If you think the blogging ship has sailed away, you need to think again. So maybe angst-ridden teenagers wandered away from blogging, but more and more businesses are stepping into these platforms every day. Why? Because it's a simple yet proven way to make money. Inside this video, you'll get a 4-step overview of how to set up and run your blog, including 5 incredible ways to make money with it. Check it out for yourself to see if you know all 5 profit models. Next up, you'll find out how to run a Facebook group like a powerful leader. This is a great way to position yourself as an expert in your niche, or you can set up the group for direct profits. This video gives you an awesome crash course in getting a popular group off the ground, plus you'll find out the awesome secrets of getting your members to interact and come back again and again. And that's not all. Think of some of the biggest tycoons in the world, and you'll see a lot of them have one thing in common. They've made a boatload of money building and selling businesses. That's exactly what this video will show you how to do. You'll find out how to sniff out hot markets, build web businesses around them, and then cash out for big profits. This video is going to make you see investing in a whole new light. In the next video, you'll learn how to do something most people only dream about, and that's turning your hobbies into money in the bank. Whether you like jewelry, military collectibles, video games, vintage clothing, remote control airplanes, or just about anything else, you too can turn a profit by building, buying, and selling these products. Inside this video, you'll find out exactly how to get this business off the ground. Plus, you'll discover the best, biggest, and most profitable sales platforms around. I'm going to guess you haven't even heard of all the sites on this list. Now, after that, you'll discover the secret of selling services for a tidy profit. And that's right, you'll find out how to earn a comfortable living as a freelancer. Now, most people have no idea how to do this. They schlep their services on Fiverr, then they wonder why high school kids at McDonald's are making more money than they are. That's why this video is going to show you the truth about freelancing. You'll discover the same system the top freelancers use to easily make $50,000, $100,000, or even more selling services. It's a lot easier and a lot more profitable than you might think, so check it out. And then the final video. Move over, Bill Gates, because you're not the only super successful software vendor in town. Now just about anyone can get into the business of building and selling software and apps. And inside this video, you'll get a crash course of how you can do it too. You'll find out how to turn your software idea into a reality. Plus, you'll even discover 5 of the best platforms to sell the finished product. If you always thought selling software and apps is fun and profitable, you're right. And this video shows you how to do it. So listen, your search for an honest way to make money online is over. You don't need to surf the web endlessly anymore trying to weed out the scams from the legitimate offers. You don't need to worry about plunking down thousands of dollars for some so-called sure thing opportunity that crash lands and bleeds you dry. All you need to do is click the order button below right now, and you'll get instant access to all 10 of these training videos. No matter what your interests, no matter what your skills, no matter what your background and experience, there's something in this video set for everyone. Look, if you can't find a way to make money online after watching these videos, then I say no way, you must be a narcoleptic who slept through the entire training series. Now here's the best part. If you act today, I'm talking right now, we can slip you into the private back door of this membership site for free. That's right. If you act now, you get every single video in this training course for free. That's because we were able to pull some strings with the creators to get you exclusive backdoor access to this mind-blowing course. But here's the thing. We can't promise you this secret access will be available forever. The guys who created this video training set might rescind this free offer at any time. And while it's worth every penny that everyone else is paying for their membership, why pay anything when you can get in for free today? So get your free membership by clicking the button below and do it right now. Because what's here today might be gone tomorrow.